Hi guys, today I am going to be doing a video on the LG V60 ThinQ using the Wacom pen for handwriting to text, math functions, note-taking on this dual screen. So with the pen you can do several things. You can write, you can do a new memo, Jiff Capture, draw chat, swift text, screen memo, and also I'll be showing you how to do handwriting to text, math functions, and other things which you can also play games with it and all of that. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the new memo. So you pull up a new memo, say like you want to do a list. Oh yeah, I got to remember to get some eggs, bread, milk, boom, and then you save it. But also it has different handwriting functions. So like let's do eggs, and it changes it. So you can hit here and you can do the different style of text that you would like. You can also change the color of the text. You can also change the background that you're actually writing on, the paper color. You can also insert pictures, images. You can take a picture, you can put video in here. So you're taking notes, say like in class, for example, you want to do a voice recording, you want to add a picture in there for your notes, just different things like that. But then you have Jiff Capture. We're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go in to, let's see, one of my videos. We're going to play the video, pull up Jiff Capture, and when it gets to the point to where you want to record, right here, you just press record, and it records for 15 seconds. Then once you finish, I'm just going to add like the 15 seconds are up. You can either stop it where you want to, or you can continue to the 15 seconds are up. And then once that's done, let's click out of this video. And then here is the video that you Jiff captured. You can save it. You can edit. You can write on the screen, change the colors and all of that. Write on the screen like you want somebody to look at this or something. And then you can save it or share it. Draw chat. This is a text like you're going to send somebody, and it's going to come up exactly like you do it. Like, you see how I did that? Then I'm going to hit here. Then I can share it. And I can send it into a text. And it'll send it to a person, send it to whoever you want it to go to. Okay, so then our next one is called swift text. That's instead of typing, you want to write and turn it into text. See, it turns into text here. Or you can also just do it here. It's also there. You can just start writing. And it changes into text. Okay, so screen memo is, say like you're just in your phone or you're anywhere in your phone at all. No matter where you are in your phone, you can go to screen memo and you can just write down, oh, I forgot to write down eggs, bread. I got to remember to get this stuff. And you just write it. No matter what you're on, it's going to take it down. And you save it. You can go back later on because you could have just been in anything, doing anything. Just go ahead and write it down. It'll be in quick memo. And you see that eggs, milk, eggs, bread, milk. You see that cake? And the background is not the background of the page that you were on or the screen you were on. It's going to save like that. Okay, so now this is one of my favorite things to do. So I'm going to write something. This is a test run, and you see it's coming up here to tell you what you're writing, and then you double tap and it turns into text. Let me do one more. Today is a great day. Double tap. And it's there, and your other text is still under there. You know, as you go, it's still there. Okay, so another thing that I like to do is you can add stuff. You can put a picture in there, take a picture. You can do a sketch, diagram. I like the math function. Do 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals. And it gives you the answer. 3 + and it gives you the answers. So this can help anybody out, help kids out. They need a little help with their math. This is the function that I always love in the Galaxy Note series. They had this in there. We can use this. This is similar to the Note. I love the Samsung Galaxy Note. This is similar to that. It's not exactly like it, but it's similar to it, and it has a lot of features of the Galaxy Note. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys like that. There was just a few examples of using the Wacom pen for handwriting the text, math function, and note taking on the dual screen LG V60 ThinQ. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you subscribe to my other channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below. You have any comments, leave them down below. If you'd like to know the settings for the Wacom pen, leave that comment down below, or you have any other questions. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, be blessed.
Anyway, enough of that stuff.